Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm trying something new and I would like to start a new regular thing on my channel called Tip Tuesdays. Now, I do not consider myself a beauty guru. I don't consider myself like super incredibly knowledgeable. I don't think I'm the most talented. I do makeup and I do what I know, and I know enough to give proper advice. But a lot of the YouTube videos I watch are not sensible or practical for everyday wear. Now, no shade, no tea. I am not someone that's gonna go in full beat every single day with false lashes and a super pop and highlight and like overdrawn lips. Like, I just don't do that. I don't think it's sensible for the everyday wear. And who has like an hour and a half to do their makeup every morning? I sure don't. So if I were watching my channel, if I were you, I would want to see things that are normal, things that people could do on an everyday basis, things that people can do that don't require a lot of time or a lot of money, or, just something a little bit more practical. And that's what we're going to do today. So I would like to show you my tip or my trick on how to get the most practical and beneficial mascara application, with a little secret that's involved that I haven't heard anybody talk about on YouTube here. If someone has, then I would love to give them credit, but this is something that I have learned years ago that I have done literally since I was like 18 or 19 years old, and it has worked for me and it still works for me, and I think it's something that people need to know. So if you would like to see how to get the best mascara application without having to wear false lashes, keep watching. Okay, so I noticed like I look a little like weird right now because when like your makeup's not finished, you just look like weird. Like, I have brows on, I have my full base, I've got highlight, I've got I'm doing a natural eye today, so I really only have like bronzer on my eyes. I have my blush, I have like everything else done just except my eyelashes and my lips, so I feel like I look like kind of weird. And sorry that this is kind of like in the shot. I want to get as close to the camera as possible, so I'm looking in my little mirror. By the way, I got this mirror last year for Christmas from my mom from Ulta, and it does have a light. I just need to put the batteries in, but it's great. It's got a regular side and then like a magnetized side. That's besides the point. Okay, anyway. Oh wow, wrong side. So like I mentioned in the intro, I get a ton of compliments on my eyelashes, and that's not to sound like, oh my god, mine are so great, but it's just literally because I have naturally curled eyelashes, and I'm gonna go close to the camera. My eyelashes go up. You see? My eyelashes do not need to be curled. I hate curling eyelashes. I hate curling them on other people. I hate curling eyelashes. Now, I know not everyone's eyelashes are naturally curled or are long. I don't think I have the best lashes in the world, but I do think I have decent lashes enough to like not have to curl them or to wear false lashes. You guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I hate to wear false lashes, so I don't. And I finally found one of the best mascaras. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I used to use the, I think it was the Bare Minerals Lash Domination. Was good, and then I ended up getting a package of free makeup, this is like besides the point, of the Max Factor Masterpiece Master X mascara. They discontinued it. It was limited edition. So I've now moved on to the Benefit Roller Lash, and hands down, it's one of the best mascaras I've ever used. So find a mascara that works well for you. And it's going to take you multiple tries to find one. I personally don't think the drugstore has the best mascaras for me. I used to use a CoverGirl mascara like years ago in high school and in college, and it just like, now that I've kind of invested in a better mascara, I see the difference, other than the Max Factor Masterpiece X mascara. But I've tried other ones from Max Factor and I hate them. So it's like, anyway. I buy the Benefit Roller Lash, and the trick that I learned years ago, backstory, and this is like such a long thing. Anyway, long story short, I learned this trick when I was in modeling class years ago. I was like 17 or 18 years old, and there was a trick that my modeling teacher taught us about how to apply makeup, and this is what it is. So get your wand, and I always kind of like get rid of whatever's like on the like tip of the brush, and I do a tiny little coat on my bottoms and on my top, like the tiniest little coat, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, it's almost like priming your lashes with mascara. Now I let that sit for like a couple minutes, and then I go in with my full application. So this kind of sets the tone, I feel like, for the rest of the mascara. Now I've done it all over. It's not the prettiest, but do you see how it kind of has created like an extra lift and like a little bit of a base? That's what's going to eliminate clumps. That's what's going to eliminate the mascara getting too thick. And that's what's going to get the best kind of like guidance for the rest of the mascara. I hate clumpy lashes. I hate when you put on too much mascara and you can't work with it. And this will allow that. Now, go in layers. So now I'm going to do another layer on my bottom lashes. Okay, that's good enough for my bottom lashes. So I go in with like a full layer after the pre-layer. That's what we're gonna call it, the pre-layer. Okay, bottom lashes, done. Now for the top, I normally do about 2 layers after this. So we're gonna go in and I blink as I apply. Sometimes I even turn the brush. Now I like a curved brush, and I like the hard bristles. See the difference already? Like, look at that. Now, if I didn't do that base, I don't think this would have looked as good. So now I'm gonna go to the other side. Oop, I didn't take off enough there. Like I was saying, I like hard bristles, like the plastic ones, and not the soft fibery ones. That's my personal reference. I also think the harder bristles apply better. Okay, so that's layer 1. Look at the difference. Now I know I have to clean up my lid there because it got a little messy. Oh my God, I almost died. Okay, so here we go again. And now I'm gonna do my second full layer. So in the process, technically 3rd application. And I start from the inner corner, okay? Work my way to the middle, and then go to the end. For my end lashes, I don't know why I do this, I flip the brush over. So instead of going this way, I go this way. I don't know why, I just feel like it works. And I just touch up where I feel like is needed. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. So I dip again. So let's go to the middle, or the inner corner. Middle. Flip. And to the end. See? Now, I don't know about you guys, but I really like this look. I like very, like, mascara'd lashes. That mascara'd isn't even a word, but, like, I like a lot of mascara. So that's pretty much how I do my lashes. I think the secret is applying that, like, base with the mascara. There's no need for, like, a second product. You know those mascaras that have, like, the 2 ends where it's, like, the lash primer and the bull. Like, I don't think you need all that. Take your mascara, do a, like, very small amount on the bottom of the top, let that set for, like, 3 to 5 seconds, and then go in layer by layer until you get the thickness and the volume and the curl that you want. That's my secret. That's my Tip Tuesday. I would love to know if you guys try this. I'm trying to, you know, put the information out there that I know that works for me. and see if it works for anyone else. So let me know if you try this. I'm gonna scoot this mirror back. And, you know, let me know if this works for you. After this, I'm gonna put lip gloss on, but you don't need to see the after because you already know what my lip gloss looks like. And do my hair because clearly it looks like crap. But if this hack works for you or this tip, please let me know. I would like to make this a regular thing on my channel. You know, going from anything from makeup to fashion to skincare to hygiene. I would like to start doing Tip Tuesday, maybe not every Tuesday, maybe every other Tuesday. So if you did like this, please let me know. Leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, please let me know too so I don't waste my time doing more of these. But I really hope that this was informative and this was fun to watch. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.